Uber. Here are the basic steps to become an Uber driver in the United States. Meet the qualifications. To become an Uber driver, you must meet certain qualifications, such as being at least 21 years old and having a valid driver's license. You will also need to have access to a vehicle that meets Uber's vehicle requirements. Sign up to drive. To sign up to drive with Uber, you will need to download the Uber Driver app and create an account. The app will prompt you to enter your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and driver's license information, pass a background check. Uber will conduct a background check on all of its drivers. This will include a check of your criminal and driving records. Upload your documents. After you have completed the sign-up process, you will need to upload a number of documents to verify your identity and your vehicle. These may include your driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance documents. Attend an orientation. Once your application is approved and you've passed your background check, you will be required to attend an orientation. In this orientation session, Uber representative will give you an overview of the company's policies, procedures, and also will be giving you the device to be attached to your vehicle and also give instructions on how to use it. Start driving. Once your application is approved, you can start driving. You can set your own schedule and start accepting rides through the Uber app. It's worth noting that these are the basic steps, and the process and requirements may vary depending on the specific state or city where you are applying to drive. Also, keep in mind that becoming an Uber driver is considered self-employment, so you will be responsible for paying your own taxes and Social Security, and for keeping track of your own income and expenses for tax purposes.